we have the responses here, various responses. I know what the answer is for you. It's I have one sister, and this is the Hebrew for it up here where I'm showing in blue. Do you want to try and
But I
read
have
that?
2 sisters.
Oh, that's true. You do. Okay. So your answer is down here with the shtei. You want to try the Hebrew down here? I'll give you a hint.
Stay.
Yesh
Yesh.
li
Li.
shtei
Stay.
achiot.
Ahiot.
Let me hear your chet. Achiot.
Ahiot.
Nice. Once more. Yesh li shtei achiot.
Ashti stay ahiot.
Very nice. Very nice. Well done. I think somebody's trying to join us, if I'm not mistaken.
That's Louisa.
Oh, Louisa's back. Where did you go, Louisa? Welcome back.
Yeah,
Where did
thank
you go? We're learning how to ask some Hebrew questions. We're doing some modern Hebrew now, Louisa.
Okay.
So I ask you a question. I'll give you a chance now. We gave Maria a chance and Gideon a chance. You don't have to read it, but you can just use your ear, okay? Repeat after me. Kama.
Kama.
You're on, Louisa. Repeat after me, Louisa. Kama. Oh, did Louisa mute her audio or having difficulty with the audio? Are you with us, sister? Okay. All right.
I think she's still unmuted.
Okay. Yeah, she's unmuted, I think. So that's okay. Nevertheless, Joseph, why don't you take a turn? I'll ask you the questions and you can answer next. So Joseph, my brother, kama achiot yesh lecha?
Yesh li sheva
Wow.
achiot.
Achiot?
Yes.
Is that true? You have 7 achiot?
Yes.
Wow.
7?
Yes.
Are you like me?
Yes.
Very nice.
And
Very
how many
nice.
brothers do you have?
I'm expecting many cows.
Wow. from Dan Goldstein.
From Gideon, from Hezron.
Okay.
Yes.
Let us close with a bit of scripture that gives us more exposure to numbers and also to cows, by the way. This is from the book of Numbers, chapter 29, verses 17 through 19. These are the festival offerings for the Tabernacle Festival, Joseph. And that was a 7-day festival with lots and lots of cows being offered and lots of sacrifices, beautiful sacrifices. So Joseph, why don't you lead us in some recital of the Hebrew now from Numbers chapter 29, starting with Uvayom.
Yes.
Are you with me, brother?
Yes.
Okay.
Uvayon Hasheni
Uvayom. Hasheni. There's our word sheni.
Parim
That's the word for cows.
Beni Vakar.
Well done. Sons of the herd. V'nei bakar. V'nei vakar. b'nei vakar.
Shneim Asar
Good, and that's
Eilim
where that's where we would stop actually. Uvayom hasheni, and on the second day, parim b'nei vakar shnei masar, 12 cows of the herd. Shnei masar is 12. Now we go on to the elim, which are the rams.
Eilim Shnayim
That means 2 rams,
Eilim Shnayim
right? Next,
Kvasim
beautiful.
Bnei Shana
Beautiful.
Arba
Arba'ah,
Asar
beautiful. And the last word,
Temimim
tmimim, which means pure, absolutely pure. So if you analyze our Hebrew verse, we have actually 3 sections. We have Parim b'nei vakar shnei masar. So the first part of the sacrifice is cows of the herd, 12. So you need 12 cows. Elim shnayim, you need 2 rams. Kivasim b'nei shana arba'a asar, and young lambs, you need 14. They have to be 2 years old. B'nei shana, 2-year-old lambs, 14 of them, and tamimim, they have to be pure. Gideon, would you be kind enough to read the second bit of Hebrew that I'm showing on the screen now?
Yep. Umin
Nice.
Hatam
Beautiful. Umin chatam.
when he say
Okay.
ham,
Be careful, take your time, make sure to close your syllables properly. Nis,
venis keham,
beautiful. V'nis kehem,
laparim,
Beautiful.
laparim,
beautiful. La parim,
la elim,
la elim,
vela keva sim,
now close this one also. Lak vasim,
vela vasim,
beautiful, beautiful. And their meal offering, umin chatam. So all of these animals, you also had to offer some flour, some well-ground flour as part of the offering. The mincha was the flour offering. So umin chatam, you remember the tam at the end means there. We learned that in our
Yeah.
grammar points.
yeah,
Their meal offering, v'niskehem, and their wine libation, la parim for the cows, la elim for the rams, v'lak vasim, and for the lambs. And now we have 2 more words to close off the verse.
bemis
Yeah.
parim,
B'misparam.
param, yeah,
Nice.
hami shepat,
Go ahead and close this syllable. Ka-mish.
hamish pat,
Right. And they're
hamish
all
patsi,
kamishpat.
hamish pat, yep,
Well done. The misparam, according to their number, kamishpat, according to the regulations. Nice job. Nice job. Okay, let's see who survived to the end. Wow. Thank you all for your loyalty to make it to the end of the class. That was some beautiful reading at the end by Gideon and Joseph. Again, Hezron, Gideon, and Amos, excellent foundation work today. I think you're going to be very happy with the progress you make based on the good work we did today. So again, congratulations. Very nice work, Maria. Again, it's such a pleasure to have you live with audio and sometimes even video. So thank you very much all for a very nice class. Very grateful.
Thank